Hey everyone, welcome to our quick but deep dive into the fascinating world of Group B elements, the transition metals. Here I am with me, Jose Andres, and with my friends Arturo and Sofía. Okay, so let's start with the basics. Where are they in the periodic table? Group B elements are found in that D block of the periodic table. That's groups 3 to 12. They sit right in the center, between the main group elements. This group includes elements like scandium, titanium, iron, copper, and zinc, and many more. Now, why are they called transition elements? It's because they serve as a transition between the highly reactive metals of group 1 and 2 and the less reactive elements on the right of the table. The electronic configuration is like, all transition elements have a partially filled d orbital either in their ground state or in one of their ions. A general configuration goes something like parentheses n minus 1, close parentheses, d 1 and 10, and s 0 and 2. Let's take a few quick examples. Like in scandium is AR 3D1 and 4S2. In iron is AR 3D6 and 4S2 and many more. Notice how that B subshell fills up across the series. That's what gives them their special properties. Some key characteristics of the coolest things about transition elements are they form colored compounds. Ever seen the deep blue of color copper sulfate? They have multiple oxidation states, which is super useful in chemistry. Most are good conductors of electricity and heat. They are often hard and have high melting points. They also make excellent catalysis, like iron in the Haber process or platinum in catalysis converters.
Thanks. Now let's dig into some more physical and chemical properties of Group B elements. Physical properties: high melting and boiling points due to strong metallic bonding from the localized d electrons. Chemical properties: these metals can form complex ions like iron 6-cyanide Q. They tend to show variable oxidation states. Iron, for instance, can be +2 or +3. Transition metals often form paramagnetic compounds because of unpaired d electrons. Also, this element reacts slowly compared to alkali metals. For example, iron rusts slowly over time, but sodium reacts explosively with water. So, to sum it up, Group B elements are strong, versatile, colorful, and essential to both nature and technology. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more bite-sized chemistry knowledge.
Fun and fascinating facts. Gold and platinum are transition elements. That's right. Your jewelry is more than just shiny. It's chemically special too. Mercury is the only metal that's liquid at room temperature. And yes, it is a transition element. Transition metals play a huge role in biology too, like iron in hemoglobin or zinc in enzymes. And let's not forget, they are super important in industrial chemistry, making them some of the most widely used elements on Earth.
So yeah, transition metals are pretty awesome. They sit right in the middle of the periodic table and bring a ton of cool stuff to the table, literally. From their shiny looks and crazy colors to their ability to switch oxidation states and help out in chemical reactions. These elements help a lot. They're in your jewelry, your blood, your car, and even in your electronics. Group B might not get as much attention as some other groups, but they are seriously important in science and in daily life. Thanks for hanging out with us. Hope you learned something new and cool about the transition elements.